Snow may be falling and the days are getting shorter, but with the new brilliant Holiday Innovation Challenge, you and your class can jumpstart your creativity just in time for the holiday season. Each family and community celebrates the holidays in a different way, with their own unique traditions. Think about what makes the holiday special for you. Maybe it's holiday cookies, making snowmen in the backyard, or decorating your house in a festive way. Whatever it is, try to incorporate your personality into your brilliant holiday project. There are lots of ways to participate in this challenge, whether you are in the classroom or at home on break. Explore different ideas, craft supplies, and technology to represent your own take on the holiday season. Handmade gifts, clothing, and decorations add that extra special touch to a season that is already filled with fun festivities. Wearable technology is a great way to add holiday sparkle to your favorite hat, scarf, tie, or hair accessory. The ugly holiday sweater has become a classic tradition for many. Why not take it up a notch and design your own holiday wear by adding wearable electronics, including microcontrollers, LEDs, accelerometers, and more? Want to try something simple? Paper circuits are an easy and cheap way to make your season merry and bright. There's nothing like receiving a handmade card that lights up. All you need is some cardstock, copper tape, LEDs, and coin cell batteries. And a little imagination, of course. There are many simple circuit designs that can be found online to help get you started. Want to have the most eye-catching tree ornament? Flex your artistic side by designing and 3D printing one that fits over a tree light. The holidays are a time for celebration and spending quality time with family and friends inside and outside of the classroom. What better way to show your holiday pride than making your own brilliant holiday decorations? Use your imagination to put your own stamp on this wonderful challenge.